I'm here in Bird Bay. I'm taking a look at the condos here. We've got quite a few listings for sale. It's a beautiful tropical landscaping here with short trees and beautiful plants. There's a walkway that takes you directly to the pool from the back of the building. There are 3 floors with an elevator. There are no age restrictions. Lots of chairs and umbrellas at the pool. Bathrooms. Yes, there are several pools in the community and clubhouse, and this pool just belongs to these buildings here, so you have your own private pool. Again, beautiful mature trees and plants. Your balcony at the back of the unit overlooking all this. So it is 3 floors. There is an elevator. And you come up the elevator and you walk right out to the pool. So here's the stairs to the elevator. 6 steps. Mailbox is just outside the elevator. And units all have a carport. There's a storage unit. It's located right next to the Legacy Trail, great for bikers, just off of the bay. So the bay is right on the other side of the condos on that side, so there are some waterfront units, and then there are non-waterfront units.